Hey everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently install a lamp to your Tapewire system. The first thing you should do is figure out how to change the bulb in your fixture. It's better to know this now rather than later, and knowing this may help you determine where you're going to place the lamp. If the bulb is somewhat difficult to change, you don't want to install it in a hard-to-reach place. This is the transformer, and just by touching the prongs of the transformer to the prongs of the light fixture, you can see that the lamp works. Most places that sell lights test them before shipping, but sometimes the bulbs will come loose in transit, so make sure to tighten the bulb. Cut the plug off at the end, making sure you leave enough wire to work with. You're not going to need the entire length of the wire, but it's good to keep it long. Take an X-Acto knife and run it down the middle of the two wires that are connected, and then pull them apart as shown. Now you're going to gently strip off the white insulation around the wires. Perforate the ends with an X-Acto knife, and I just use my fingernails to pull it off. If you accidentally cut the wire while trying to strip it, it's okay because you should have more than enough to work with. This is why when you cut off the plug, you should leave a lot of wire connected to the fixture, especially if you're just learning this process. You want to have about 1/4 of an inch of exposed wires. Take note of the number of wires. All of these wires need to get connected to the tape wire. If for some reason you happen to have some wires that are shorter than others, trim them using a scissors so they are all the same length, and then twist them together tightly. This is what the ends of the wires will look like, and now we'll figure out exactly where to install the lamp and make the holes in the tape wire. Try to place your wire in between furniture so it will be easier to hide. I'll install this between the chair and the table so I can tuck the excess wire along the bottom of the wall and behind or under the chair. Make a mark with a pencil so you remember where you need to put in the wires. The tool I'm using is called an electrical piercing tool, and it's from realgoodtoys.com. You can purchase something similar at circuitconcepts.com, and they call it an awl. Using a hammer, pound one hole into each colored side of the tape. These are small brass eyelets that I purchased from miniatures.com. Put a brass eyelet on the end of your tool and have it ready. Use your fingers or a tweezers to insert the twisted wire into the hole. Once it's in the hole, place a piece of tape on top of the wire to keep it from coming out while you grab your hammer. If you notice a stray wire, you'll need to twist it again so they are all together. Now take the awl or the piercing tool that has the eyelet on the end of it and place it on top of the wire and pound it in. Give it a good couple of smacks, or maybe 3, and this is what it will look like when they are both in. Before doing anything else, plug in the power cord and see if the light works. If your lamp lights up, congratulations. Now you want to cover the brass eyelets with tape and tape the rest of the wire close to the wall so you can put your flooring down. Please read the description in this post for more information and troubleshooting tips if your light does not light up. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.